Zion reggae, yeah, man. Hey. Upon the head of righteous man, crown of Zion shining stand. Not of silver, not of gold, but of love and truth untold. It bless the humble, bless the meek. Crown of Zion, all man seek. Every jewel a holy sign. Crown of Jah forever shine. Crown of Zion, pure and true, shine upon the chosen few. Every elder, every youth, wear the crown of righteous truth. Shine until the work is done. It mark the faithful, mark the kind. Crown of Jah upon their mind. No Babylon can steal away. Crown of Zion here to stay. It rise above the earthly throne. Crown of Jah forever own. It guard the heart, it guard the soul. Crown of Zion make man know. Lift the weak, it raise the low. Crown of Zion always show. It sing a song, it tell a tale of righteous win and wicked fail. Upon the brow of holy child, crown of Jah forever style. My dream at night of shining light. Crown of Zion burning bright. It says stay strong, don't go astray. Hold the faith both night and day. It bless the elder, bless the youth. Crown of Jah reveal the truth. Forever bright, forever new. Crown of Zion shine on you. When the final call is made, crown of Zion never fade. It rests upon the chosen head. Living soul and spirit fed. From first to last, from birth to end. Crown of Zion always friend. Eternal jewel, eternal flame. Crown of Jah forever same. Shine bright, shine tall. Crown of Zion bless us all. No man, no king can wear the same. Only Jah uphold the name. Crown of Zion, pure and true, shine upon the chosen few. Every elder, every youth, wear the crown of righteous truth. From dawn of time to endless day, crown of Zion light the way. Touch me face, soft like ancient drum echo. Me spirit rise with the morning hue, searching the path of calm. Silence, whisper wisdom from far, leading me steps slow and sure. Me walk through fields where memory grow, old tales stitched in the soil, hills, old stories of brave hearts still humming through the air. like sacred earth. Every corner show me reason to stay humble and hold balance. Voices of elders ripe on the wind, guiding me every choice. Them remind me to stand tall even when the ground shake. Enough roads twist and turn, but focus keep the soul steady. From shadow to brightness, me keep me in a compass clear. Yeah. Roots of the horizon, calling me name gentle and wide. Show me the path we carry peace, stretching beyond the tide, yeah. Roots of the horizon, lift me mind to steady place, where hope grows strong and calm embrace this space. Me sit for a moment, watch clouds drift slow and quiet. Each one shape a future me can walk toward with courage. Life test every heart, but clarity come to the honest. Me follow the breeze that whisper new lessons each day. Nightfall bring cool calm, the stars catch ancient symbols. Me listen well, learning rhythm of the unseen world. Through travel, through silence, shaping me into better form. Me rise tomorrow with stronger will and brighter aim. Hold firm, keep balance, trust the deeper flow. Every step aligned with purpose, every moment show growth. Me vision shine clean and touched by loud illusions. Track roots of the horizon, calling me name gentle and wide. Show me the path we carry peace, stretching beyond the tide, yo. Roots of the horizon, lift me mind to steady place, where hope grows strong and calm embrace this space. And so me wander steady, knowing harmony never fade. The horizon guide me onward, giving strength for every day. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Aye, aye, aye. Rasta man is so high and music play a man. Hear the pounding in the street, iron drum beat, move the feet. Calling warriors, calling friends, rhythm rise and Babylon ends. Thunder echo, bassline roll, iron drum ignite the soul. No more silence, no retreat. People march on iron beat. Sound wave travel, wall collapse. Iron drum close all the gaps. Concrete crack beneath the sound. Drum of justice shake the ground. Every corner, every lane, iron drum erase the chain. Spirit wake, oppression fall. Drum of Zion call them all. Through the fire, through the fight, iron drum a guiding light. Strike the skin, release the cry. Freedom echo through the sky. Voices blend with every strike. Drum unite them all alike. Not for hatred, not for greed. Drum beat carry what we need. Rise together, hold the line. Iron rhythm, pure divine. Stronger, louder, day by day. Drum of freedom, clear the way. Pulse eternal, steady strong. Iron drum for
No loud boast for me skill display. Me stay mastery bro in a silent grind. Focus mind. Me practice when nobody watch. Perfect notch. Repetition carve clean art from start. Small improvement daily gain. Build brain. Me nah rush title before me ready. Steady. Skill sharpen through patient rep. Step by step. Feel your teacher, not defeat mark. Spark. Quiet mastery. Slow and sure. Endure. Quiet mastery. Strong control. Whole soul. Me study craft beyond surface show. Deep flow. Details matter more than hype. True type. Me build competence layer by layer. Prayer. When stage life finally turn way, me display. Not ego flash, but refined tone. Fully grown. Years of unseen grind, no shine. By design. Mastery whisper. Never shout, no doubt. Confidence calm, not loud noise. In a pose. Work in silence. Results speak. Quiet mastery. Oh, iron flame, no them. Quiet mastery. Rise complete. Victory sweet. No king. I skill. I am the will.
Nah, nah, nah. Rasta man chant ya man. Oh, oh, I. Under the moonlight, calm and still. Jah presence bless the hill. Stars above them shine so clear. Rasta spirit always near. Me sit and reason pon the stone. Never walk this path alone. In the rhythm, rain a breeze. Jah comfort me with ease. Every sound from near and far. Guide me where the blessings are. Me chant for hope, me chant for love. Peace descend from above. The fire blaze, the chalice glow. Wisdom flow, my spirit grow. Me see the world in Jah design. Everything align, no envy, greed or pride. Just light from deep inside. Me walk with faith, me walk with care. Jah glory everywhere. Yeah, Rasta moonlight shine. Bless the heart, bless the mind. One love, one truth, one sound. Jah presence all around. Light the night, guide the day. Lead me on Jah way. Oh ah, oh ah, oh ah. Me hear the drum beats soft and low. Ancient voices start for show. Me feel the healing deep within. Jah kingdom never dim. Every man and woman true. Jah light shine through you. From the mountain to the sea, Rasta live in harmony. Me chant for unity, me chant for peace. Love and mercy never cease. The nights so calm, the hearts so pure. Jah love forever sure. Me rise, me pray, me sing. Jah blessing everything. No fear can shake me ground. Love forever sound, yeah. Rasta moonlight shine. Bless the heart, bless the mind. One love, one truth, one sound. Jah presence all around. Light the night, guide the day. Lead me on Jah way. Oh, ah, oh, ah, oh, ah. So when the dawn begin to glow, remember Jah wherever you go. Oh, one heart, one love, one flame. Forever in Jah name. Forever in Jah name. Oh, ah, oh, ah, oh, ah. Ay, ganja and Zion reggae, your man. Whoa, whoa. Me wake in the valley of Tess. Just spirit beating on me chest. Me walk through the flame and storm. Still me soul stay warm. No fear, no chain, no lie. Just truth me amplify. Them try fi twist the word, but me still spread Jah word. Me roar like lion strong, righteous in every song. Them can't trap the free. Jah dwell in me. Every chant me send, truth nah bend. Me sight the wicked plot, but Jah forget them not. Them build throne from greed, but me plant love seed. Truth sharp like lightning flash, cut through the trash. Lion heart never tame. Stand in Jah name, yeah. Lion of truth, roar through the land. Justice rise by Jah hand. Lion of truth, no retreat. Love conquer every beat. Me no fight with gun or blade. Me fight with word me laid. Every lyric pure and deep. Wake the sheep from Zion. Come the call, lift up all. Me chant until me voice grow hoarse, but me stay upon course. The youth them lost in vanity. Me bring clarity. Them fed by social chain. Me wash them brain. Truth stronger than the gold. Forever bold. Me chant till dawn again. Free from pain. Lion roar through Babylon gate. Them can't relate when truth step in at the place. All false erase. Jah fire clean and bright. Turn wrong to right. Lion of truth, roar through the land. Justice rise by Jah hand. Lion of truth, no retreat. Love conquer every beat. Yeah, lion of truth, stand tall, be free. Rooted deep like the tree. Lion of truth, never fall. Answer Jah call. So when the system try deceive, me still believe. Lion heart inside we all. Answer the call.
tune. Stars shine bright beside the moon. Lanterns glow along the lane. Ease the heart from stress and strain. People gather in the evening air. Share old stories, show they care. Every voice blends smooth and warm. Bring protection from any storm. Me feel grounded, me feel free. Surrounded by community. Lantern light flicker on each face. Give the night a sacred grace. Children laugh while elders glow. Wisdom pass like river flow. Me hold the moment deep inside. Life move gentle like the tide. Midnight lanterns guide the way. Keep the darkness far away. Shine a comfort, shine a peace. Bless the soul with warm release. Midnight lanterns bright and true. Carry love in every hue. Songs rise up in the mellow breeze. Voices blend like rooted trees. Me hear rhythm in every line. Spirit settle, feel divine. Night bring blessings, calm and slow. Light within begin to glow. Footsteps echo on crooked stone. People dance though times unknown. Laughter carry through the night. Turn the shadows into light. Energy wrap round everyone. Harmony tread never done. Hold the lantern high and clear. Let the glow erase your fear. Walk with confidence and pride. Night itself become your guide. Midnight lanterns guide the way. Keep the darkness far away. Shine a comfort, shine a peace. Bless the soul with warm release. Lantern fire, soft and bright. Lead the heart through every night. When the moon fade and morning rise, carry the lantern in your eyes. Midnight wisdom always stay. Lighting every brand new day.
Moon shines soft tonight. Guide me steps in gentle light. Cool wine stroke the evening sky. Let the spirit amplify. Me wander through the quiet lane, thinking about joy and dealing with pain. Moonlight show me hidden things. Secrets only nighttime brings. Me breathe the silence, feel it flow. Mind slow down and start to glow. Me hold the peace in steady way. Night teach wisdom like a prayer. Me hear fog drums echo low, calling me where shadows go. Music paint the dark with gold, turn the cool night brave and bold. Every note release me stress, every chord bring tenderness. Moon guide tune like cosmic fire, lift the soul a little higher with the moonlight awakening, shining on the land. Lift the weary heart and hold it in your hand. Calm are the blessing in the nighttime air, peace for the people everywhere. Moonlight awakening, soft but strong and true, bring a healing glow for me and you. Me follow the rhythm through the trees, feel the night wind dance with ease. Stars above write ancient rhyme, teach me truth beyond the time. No stress can shake me in a space. Night embrace give perfect grace. Me find a freedom pure and wide. Let go every trouble tight. Me see lovers, hold them tight. Walking calm beneath the light. Me see youths laugh down the way. Enjoy the quiet of the days and sway. Moonlight wrap the whole town clean, make the darkness feel serene. Every face glow with reflection. Night provide a new direction. Whisper soft from sky above, remind me life built upon love. Every dream takes shape tonight, carried by the silver light. Moperique moonlight awakening, shining on the land. Lift the weary heart and hold it in your hand. Calm are the blessing in the nighttime air, peace for the people everywhere. Moonlight awakening, soft but strong and true, bring a healing glow for me and you. As the night fade into dawn, me still feel the moonlight strong. Carry peace into the day. Moon guide me along the way. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Morning breeze touch my skin, wave them whisper truth again. Me sit on the shore, listen deep, hear the rhythm rise from beneath. Salt in the air, calm in my chest. Your creation guide me every step. Me watch the tide roll steady slow, carrying stories of long ago. Each ripple bring a healing sound, wash away doubt, we hold me down. The sun reflect like liquid gold, showing strength even when me cold. Me breathe the freedom, feel it strong, like a baseline carrying on. People walk by with heavy mind, searching peace them can't find. Me tell them ease your heart today. The ocean teach a better way. The wave move constant, never tired. Show how life can stay inspired. No need for rush or chase the time. Flow natural in your own design. Ocean of vibration, guide we every day. Carry all the worries far and wash them all away. Feel the rhythm rising deep within the soul. Bring we back to balance, keep the spirit whole. Ocean of vibration, strong like ancient tide. Lift we up with harmony, keep the love inside. Me see fishermen chant them prayer. Open Jah bless, the water clear. Me hear children laugh in pure delight, running free like birds in flight. Nature whisper in subtle tone, remember love, you're never alone. hold the message in my chest. Gratitude make me truly blessed. Even when storm clouds gather near, me stand firm, no room for fear. The ocean roar, but still it teach. Strength is something always in reach. Me move with purpose, calm and sure. Every lesson shape me more. Life a journey, steady glide, just like waves along the tide. Me float in peace, me spirit free. No weight can drown the energy. Every sound connect me deep, like secrets nature love to keep. Meditation in every breeze, Jah comfort put me mind at ease. Ocean of vibration, guide we every day. Carry all the worries far and wash them all away. Feel the rhythm rising deep within the soul. Bring we back to balance, keep the spirit whole. Ocean of vibration, strong like ancient tide. Lift we up with harmony, keep the love inside. So when night falls slow and wide, me listen to the shifting tide. Every wave a gentle prayer, tell me calm is always there. Ocean sing till dawn anew, bringing peace in every hue.
Na 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 kaya, and sweet ka by me side, yeah man. Me sit beside the river bank, give Jah thanks, my soul give thanks. Water whisper holy sound, peace and healing all around. Me see the stream move slow and wise, mirror the truth inside me eyes. Every ripple, every flow, carry message Jah bestow. Me drop me fears, me wash me pain. Jah river cleanse again, from the mountain top it fall. Blessing flow for one and all. Me chant for life, me chant for peace. Righteousness never cease. The river teach me how to be calm and full of melody. It show me how the time will heal and how the truth reveal. River of Jah flow strong, wash away the wrong one. Love one song, one way, guide me night and day. Flow through the people, flow through the land. Jah water bless every hand. Me see the children play and sing, Jah creation everything. Me feel the breeze, me feel the grace, peace and joy in every place. Me know the river never end, it flow round every bend. Elders smile and youth rejoice, nature sing in one voice. No fear, no hate, no greed, just Jah fulfilling need. Every soul become the tide, flow together side by side. Me flow with Jah, me never tire. His word me heart's desire, no joy can stop the stream. Love forever dream. River of Jah flow strong, wash away the wrong one. Love one song, one way, guide me night and day. Flow through the people, flow through the land. Jah water bless every hand. So when the days feel dry and long, remember the river song. It flow within, it flow without. Jah love remove all doubt.
Ay, 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 Zion inna the post. Yeah, man. Me pack the van and me leave the town. Too much noise, me can't settle down. Me need the hills, me need the breeze. Me soul want chant beneath the trees. Me nah follow no digital maze. Me follow sun, me follow praise. One draw, one breath, me mind feel free. Me spirit chant like a sacred tree. Hot river, me wash me face. Cool water touch me soul with grace. Me see a elder chant by stone. Me join in, me never alone. He say youth live true and live clean. Babylon sweet but it rob your dream. Me say me done, me take me part. One rhythm drum, one sacred heart. The herb me light is blessed and wise. A key fi open eye and eye eyes. Me no hide it, me celebrate. With every puff, me elevate. Rasta no rush, Rasta flow like a stream, slow and low. This journey no need no map, just ears fi listen and time fi nap. Me feel me heartbeat match the drum. Me know me reach where me belong. Roots highway, me temple true. Every tree a guide, every breeze a clue. On the roots highway, we chant and roll. Smoke lift the pain from body and soul. Every corner, all a sign of Rastafari's grand design. On the roots highway, life feel right. Under the stars and moonlight bright, we burn the stress, we burn the fear. Only love dwell upon this sphere. Me reach a village, the fire blaze. Drum and bass start set the pace. Children dance and elders smile. Me stay upon the rhythm fi a while. Title pot bubble, scent so sweet. Me eat and give thanks for the treat. Me burn a spliff under sacred moon. Me spirit soar like reggae tune. Me no need mansion, no diamond ring. Me need a chant and bird them sing. Me rich with peace, me wealthy with time. Me live in rhythm, me move in rhyme. So if you're tired of the noise and lie, come find truth under just sky. Roll your herbs and ride away. Pon the roots highway, come what may.
Ay, 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 ay. Down by the riverside with the ganja glow. Yo, man. Me rise with sun, breeze cool and clean. Birds are sing in lush green scene. Me sit on rock, herb in hand. Meditation take me to promised land. No stress, no phone, just Rasta vibe. Me reason with wind, me soul feel alive. Me empress hums a healing song. And in the peace, me know me belong. Rootsman meditating at the light. Ganja blaze and heart feel right. No worry now, no Babylon fear. Jah presence strong, Jah spirit near. Smoke rise high, touch flow. Me hold the fire, me let love grow. Rootsman walk in humble peace. And with each chant, the weight release. Me cook it all stew on open flame. Pumpkin callaloo, Jah bless the name. Me youth them run, them laugh and play. We give thanks each and every day. No microwave, no poison meal. Me food and herb, me holy seal. We sip tea made from ganja leaf. Me find in nature sweet relief. The night come down, me light a stick. Me roll a spliff and burn it quick. Stars above, me sit and chant. Me speak to Jah, me soul a plant. Me vision clear, me mind at ease. Me heart beat strong with every breeze. Them can't program this kind of love. It born in I from up above. River run cool, me bathe and pray. Me wash me doubts and drift away. A little youth say, Rasta, why you smile? Me say, me live truth and walk Jah mile. We reason deep and share a flame. No titles, no game. we are not the same. Me say smoke is key, but mind is gate. Balance your heart, elevate. Roots man chant and herb a burn. Each puff a lesson, each breath me learn. Me carry Jah light through every day and hold me ground when skies turn grey. Me nah seek gold, me seek divine. Me party's roots, me soul align. Roots man walk with humble pride, cause Jah ever there by my side. So if you lost or feel confused, take off the shoes and walk with truth. Roll your spliff and close your eyes. Let Jah reveal what Babylon hide. From mountain top to yard below, Zion echoes, I make it flow. Roots man meditation, pure and deep. Feed the soul we wake and not sleep.
Nah, nah, nah. Nah, nah, nah. Moonrise low over Zinc Roof Town. Night cool Babylon sound. Me light the chalice, calm and clean. Smoke drift, soft in between. Me mind heavy from the day gone by. Too much talk, too much lie. Me burn the herb, fi clear me sight. Truth come sharp in a night. No rush life, me take me time. Every thought align. The ganja teach me patience well. More than book them ever tell. Every pull a meditation. Lift me from frustration. Me see through mask and shiny show. Reality start glow. Chalice in the moonlight burn. Every lesson me learn. Chalice in the moonlight slow. Let the realness flow. Me hear old record pan the turn. Roots vibration still firm. Bassline deep like ancestor voice. Tell me youth, choose wise choice. Me feel connected, flesh and bone. Never walk alone. Me watch the stars, them blink and reason. Every life got season. Some chase hype, some chase fame. Me just keep your name. Urban music keep me straight. No fear, no hate. When smoke curl round me head, me hear the things unsaid. Silence speak louder now. Show me when and how. Chalice in the moonlight burn. Every lesson me learn. Chalice in the moonlight slow. Let the realness flow. Chalice in the moonlight burn. Every lesson me learn. Chalice in the moonlight slow. Let the realness flow. When morning come, me mind still clear. Carry peace from here. Moonlight fade, but truth remain. Herb wash me brain.
Bada bim, bada bim, bada bim, bada boom. Kaya kushina melo.
Jah garden me find the sign. Chalice meditation, breath and flame. Call Jah name, no need for shame. Me reason me thoughts them clean. Herb and spirit walk between. Me born Babylon, plan and fear. Inhale wisdom, exhale care. The chalice circle like sacred right. The moon watch over we every night. Me sit in silence, hold Jah word. Each breath deeper, spirit stirred. Chalice lift me vision bright. Meditation make me see the light. Me reason with elder from long time past. Him say youth, hold Jah love steadfast. Me humble self to the natural flow. Fi see what me eyes alone can't know. Me take me time, me walk the mile. Each straw stretch fi another while. Me inhale hope, me exhale fear. Me know Jah Jah always near. Chalice meditation, breath and flame. Call Jah name, no need for shame. Me reason me thoughts them clean. Herb and spirit walk between. Me reason me mind so still. Chalice full and Jah do will. Ay, 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 from hills of Zion, me hear a call. Bless the all. Drum beat echo through night. Guide the light, me heart move to the tone. Me never alone, me never alone. Me chanting a sacred style. Fi a while, Jah message through me flow. Let them know each word a holy seed. Fi heal the need. Zion echo pure and high. Reach the sky. Them try mute the sound. Still it rebound. Me see the people wake. Chains break. Rasta heart no fade. Freedom made. Echo run deep and strong. Jah song. Echoes of Zion call the name. Burn like flame. Echoes of Zion, pure and wise. Rise, rise. Me hear the trumpet blow from east. Soul feast, me sing till me voice run dry. Still me try, every chant me send. Have no end, Zion echo call again. Heal the pain, me walk through the valley low. Still me glow, every rock me trod on firm. Me confirm, Zion spirit live inside. Me guide, echo reach from heart to ear. No fear. Me no silent, me no still Jah will. When darkness tries suffocate, me elevate. Zion sound eternal flame. Call Jah name, call Jah name, call Jah name. Echoes of Zion call the name. Burn like flame. Echoes of Zion, pure and wise. Rise, rise. Echoes of Zion, never end. Guide we friend, voice of Jah, forever ring. Hear it sing. So when the world feel cold and torn, new hope born. Echoes of Zion, call again. Free the chain.
up high from heart so true. Fire of Rasta man break through. Burn away the fear and lies. Light the world with just sunrise. Every spark a holy sign. Every flame a true divine. Fire strong, it never tame. Carry forth the righteous name. Fire of Rasta man, bright and bold. Turn the night from dark to gold. Cleanse the land, purify. Lift the soul to Jah most high. It burn the chain of Babylon. Show the people Jah is strong. It got the youth, it warm the old. Tell them story prophets told. No water wash, no storm can kill. Rastafire blaze Jah will. Flame of love and flame of peace. Make the war and hatred cease. It glow within the sacred drum. It chant the call of Zion come. It blazing heart, it blazing song. Guide the nation all along. It teach the people stand upright. Burn away the wicked night. No shadow hide, no darkness stay. Fire light the righteous way. We sit beside the holy flame. Hear it whisper Jah true name. It say, my child, keep faith alive. True Jah love, you will survive. It test the soul, it make it strong. Teach the weak where they belong. Burn the greed and burn the pride. Leave the truth that can't divide. When the dawn upon the land, fire still blaze by Jah hand. From sunset glow to morning bright. Fire of Rasta man give light. From first breath until the end. Sacred fire remain a friend. Carry blessing from above. Blazing fire of pure love. Blaze high, blaze clear. Rastafire bring Jah near. No wall, no chain, no iron hold. Fire of Rasta man never cold. Fire of Rasta man, bright and bold. Turn the night from dark to gold. Cleanse the
Aye, aye, aye. Aye, 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 aye. Fire spark, paper twist. Evening start like this. Me no bun fi hyper show. Me bun fi know. First pull slow, second deep. Mind awake from sleep. Thought them line up neat and clean. More than them seem. Me question things me never ask. Truth remove mask. Ganja no make me fool wise. It just open eye. Show me where me wrong before. Show me more. Me see me fear, me see me pride. Put them aside. Ganja wisdom talk so plain, but true joy and pain. Ganja wisdom guide me road, light and heavy load. Me reason with myself alone, heart become throne. Me plan less, me trust more. Life open door. Herb no magic, herb no trick, just make me honest quick. Me see
and white, more shade in sight. Some wrong grow from wounded soul, understanding all. So me move softer through the day, choose what me say. Smoke rise then disappear, lessons stay clear. What me learn me can't forget, no regret. Ganja wisdom talk so plain, cut through joy and pain. Ganja wisdom guide me road, light and heavy load. When Charlie school and night done gone, truth still done. Wisdom walk with me slow, everywhere me go.
Ay, 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 ay. Zion reggae, yeah, man. Me dey panja highway, winding on me face, traveling light through this human race. Every mile teach me new truth fi learn. Inna the fire, me spirit burn. Me hear the river low. Jah guide me where fi go. Me start from the ghetto lane, carry the joy, carry the pain. Me no rich but me soul feel tall. Jah blessings overall. Them try fi pull me off the road, me still carry Jah load. Each breath me take a chant, faith abundant. Me see the sign say love ahead, so me drop me dread pan bed. No vanity pan this ride, just truth inside me. Try through storm, me try through flame, still call Jah name. Every curve me bend with care, cause Jah dey everywhere. Panja highway me trod, guided by the hand of God. Through the valley, through the fight, me follow the light. Panja highway me roll, clean me heart, heal me soul. No matter where me roam, Jah road me home. Me pass by the ones still lost, them pay the cost. Me stop and share a song, help them strong. The journey long but me no tire. Jah give the fire, every mile me bless, no stress. Me look on the horizon red, hope ahead. Me feel Jah breeze embrace, peaceful place. Me drive through life with grace, no ace. Me leave behind the fear, me Jah near. Me no speed, me no slow, me move out just if you go. Every road lead home one day, to Zion way. Panja highway me trod, guided by the hand of God. Through the valley, through the fight, me follow the light. Panja highway me roll, clean me heart, heal me soul. No matter where me roam, Jah road me home.